I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Digital Turbine today. Now, the first thing that jumps out at me here is $7.33. Here's why this is important. You know, the best stocks ain't for $7.33. They might be $73.33 or something, or $107. $7.33 is not really where I want to be. But then you look at the pattern and you can see really kind of a textbook cup and handle. First requirement, an uptrend. There has to be something to consolidate. Second, a top here and then a pullback, and then that pullback holds, and then a return to the top right here. And in between, we get this little whoop-de-doo below the 50-day moving average and then back above it. So the stock prints this cup pattern here. And then now it's pulled back and is starting to form the little handle here. And so I would look at this stock just from a pattern perspective as being a buy on a move above $7.50. And then you've got this really nice completed cup and handle pattern. But here's the thing. If we just zoom out and look at this thing, for crying out loud, you know, a year ago it was under $2. You look even further back to 2016 and it kind of sold for pennies. So, you know, the point is, if we did a 1 for 10 stock split and pushed the decimal point over, you'd see a stock that's just a monster stock. And so I'm kind of treating this stock as if it were a $77 stock. In other words, I'm not letting the actual price of the stock get to me, because I feel like, you know, when I see this move, look at the volume, look at the increase in volume. You know, here versus here, where it's a lot of volume, all the way back to here, versus back here, where there's basically like no volume. So you'll see this pretty substantial increase in volume as the stock moves higher. Okay, well, that to me is institutional activity, particularly this area here. From about August on, this is a lot of activity. This is a lot of volume coming in. Now, before you just think, oh, okay, big volume bars must be institutional activity, institutional buying. You also have to understand that this high volume move, when volatility is increased, and it kind of has here, that can oftentimes be the signs of institutional selling, distribution. So this isn't just as cut and dried as you might think. It could kind of go either way. But that's why I'm saying, look at the pattern, look at the volume, look at the trend, see what's happening, look at the fundamentals, and the fundamentals are strong. Look at the fundamentals, and then come back and look at the chart and say, hey man, if this thing goes over $7.50, I'm in. If it goes up above $8, I'm adding to that position. If it doesn't do any of those things, then don't be long this stock. It's kind of a binary thing, okay? All right, that's it. Members, by the way, I've added several stocks to our growth stock list, and I'm going over those in detail tonight. So now we've got several stocks on our list that are working really well. So it's after we've been kind of sitting around not doing too much, it's looking to me like it's time to start making some money.